Kapag mahal ang mouse, kiss ka agad sa akin. Lalo na kung meron namang mas affordable alternative. So I've been looking for a vertical mouse lately and I found the ProtoArc EM05. High-end looks pero sobrang budget-friendly. Is it really a Logitech killer or just too good to be true? Let's find out. Hi, my name is Ben Bro and I review affordable items that I bought from the internet para makapag-decide ka kung para ba sa'yo to or hindi. Story time, bakit ba ako bumili ng bagong mouse? Bago ko binili kasi to, meron akong dalawang mouse na ginagamit interchangeably. So pag nalobat yung isa, sa charge ko lang siya, gagamitin ko yung isa. They're both gaming mice kasi you can use a gaming mouse for both productivity and gaming. So whenever I need to play games with my friends, I use these mice para maganda yung experience. And at the same time, whenever I work, I use the same mice. Problem is, nasira ko yung isa. Sinubukan ko siyang linisan ng contact cleaner, yung mga switches niya. Ang problema is, nasprayan ko yung sensor. So, wala. Dead na siya. Then it got me thinking, am I gonna buy another gaming mouse? And whenever I look at the desk ng asawa ko, she has two ergonomic mice. So, it got me thinking a little bit kung why don't I get an ergonomic mouse para ma-relieve naman ng konti yung strain sa wrist ko whenever I work. So, I'm just gonna use the gaming mouse kapag naglalaro ako. And then I'll use the ergonomic mouse whenever I'm working. So, naghanap ako ng affordable ergonomic mouse. Meron din ako naalala kasi may mga pinapanood ako sa TikTok ng mga video editors that are going live and they use a trackball for some reason. Preference lang daw nila. So I did a little research and marami din pala mga video editors like me who are using a trackball mouse. And so I came upon this. So it's both an ergonomic mouse and it has a trackball. But yung trackball, nakaposition siya dito sa thumb mo. So instead of using your hand on the trackball like that, you use your thumb. So I thought to myself, best of both worlds kasi I get to use an ergonomic mouse with a trackball so I don't have to move my wrist around the desk. I just need to use my thumb. So before we get to the review, I'm gonna show you a quick unboxing and then we'll get to the review. As of this recording, I've been using this mouse for around 3 weeks already. And I must say, I'm very satisfied. Yung texture ng shell niya is medyo parang rubbery feel na matte, not smooth. Although dahil di mo naman siya ginagalaw sa desk mo, hindi mo naman kailangan ng matinding grip dun sa mouse mismo. It just feels satisfying na maganda yung texture ng shell. With regard to the trackball, I'm sure most of you will ask, gaano katagal bago ka masanay dun sa trackball? No? In my experience, on the first day when I used it, medyo nagkaroon ako ng strain dito sa muscle around my thumb. Probably because yung mga muscles ko parang nagising siya na pwede pala siyang gamitin to use a mouse. Parang nag-adjust lang yung muscles ko na kailangan pala siyang gamitin ng madaming beses this time. Yeah, nagkaroon siya ng muscle strain for a day. After a day, nawala naman na, nasanay siya. Pero yung talagang nag-adjust ako dun sa movement ng mouse pointer pag ginagalaw yung trackball, it took me around 3 days. So mga 3 days, medyo accurate na yung paggalaw ko ng mouse pointer using the trackball. So kahit yung mga maliliit na buttons and maliliit na toggles na kailangan mong itapat yung mouse pointer, on the 3rd day, okay na siya. Although I admit, pagdating doon sa sensitivity, I had to adjust and tweak it a little para swak siya dun sa preference ko. But I think if you're gonna switch to this, it will take you 3 to 5 days to get really used to using a trackball instead of a regular mouse. So as for the buttons, meron siyang, of course, yung left click, right click. Yung usual na buttons na nasa thumb mo sa regular mouse, it's right here dito sa may index finger mo. So yung naka-pre-program na to forward and back. I barely use it even ng regular mouse yung ginagamit ko, so doesn't really matter to me. You can adjust the DPI using this orange button in between the left and right click. Yung scroll wheel niya is mas malaki yung wheel niya than most mice. Convenient siya gamitin kasi mas maraming nako-cover yung isang stroke mo ng scroll wheel. You can connect up to 2 Bluetooth devices aside from dun sa 2.4 GHz dongle niya, which you can find underneath. I don't really use Bluetooth that much pagdating sa mga mice, so I just always use the 2.4 GHz dongle. Also, you will notice meron siyang parang hole dito sa ilalim. It's mainly for you to poke yung ball para malabas mo siya. Kasi, syempre from time to time, kailangan nililinis mo to para smooth palagi yung tracking mo. Maybe once a week, linisin mo siya, pati yung loob. Madali lang siya alisin at i-attach uli. Di siya nalalaglag basta unless you push from the bottom. Yeah, secure naman siya, so huwag ka mag-alala. Unless ma-drop mo yung mouse mismo, siguro matatanggal siya. It comes in other colors, yung trackball niya, but I prefer black and red, so I chose the red one. But there are other colors that you can choose from if you look at the product site. Battery life, haven't really been able to drain the battery. Sa 3 weeks na ginagamit ko siya, I've only charged it once. Hindi naman siya na-drain nung time na yun. I just thought na baka malobat na siya sa plinag ko siya. When you plug it, you will notice a red LED dun sa in between the mouse buttons. Full charge na siya pag naging green. Now, honestly, I haven't really tested the battery and I don't think you'll have any problems with the battery neto. Final thoughts. I really enjoyed using this for the past 3 weeks and I'm gonna continue using it mainly for productivity. Syempre, hindi naman for gaming. But at least, pag nag-work ako or I'm doing other tasks other than gaming, at least my wrist will be in a position that is neutral and will not put strain on my wrist. At least nakakapahinga naman yung wrist ko kahit na almost 12-14 hours ako nasa PC everyday. At least during the time that I'm working, maayos yung position ng wrist ko and syempre tayo medyo quarantahin na tayo, dapat medyo iniisip na rin natin yan. So yeah, it's not for everyone, but if you're looking for a vertical mouse, this is a good option. Or if you're looking for a trackball mouse, this is also a good option. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money and I just want to share my experience and hopefully it can help you decide if you want to consider yung ProtoArc EM05 or not. For me, it's a good alternative, especially for productivity purposes. Alright, so that's it for today. If umabot ka dito sa portion na to, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. Please like this video if you like this video. And kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe. I know I haven't put out a video in so long, but this time, I'm doing my best to put out videos regularly. So, pwede kayong abangan. If you have any products you want me to review, you can comment it in the comment section down below. That's it for now. Thank you very much. God bless sa inyong lahat and stay swackly.